Introduction to Software Engineering by G. Virareddy, lecturer in Computer Science, JVR Government Degree College, Sattupalli, Khammam district. Today my topic is Software Engineering Introduction Part only. Introduction to Software Engineering. First, what is a software? Software is a set of instructions to acquire input and to manipulate them to produce the desired output in terms of functions and performance of determined by the user of the software. It is a acquire inputs and to manipulate them to produce the desired output. What you want, what type of output you want, that produce the software. It acquires the input and gives the manipulate the output in terms of functions and performance of determined by the user of the software. It also includes a set of documents such as the manual and for the user to understand the software system. It is a software. It takes the required inputs and gives them to manipulate and gives them the processor to desire the outputs. Then description of the software. A software is described by its capabilities. What type of capability the software have depends on that capabilities. The capabilities relate to the functions it executes, the feature it provides and facilities it offers. Software written for sales order, processing words have different functions to process different type of sales orders from different market segments. Here the capabilities are software written by sales order, processing different functions to process different types of sales orders, different marketing segments. Features, for example, would be to handle multi-currency computing, updating products, sales and tax statuses. The facilities could be printing of sales order, email to customers and reports to the store department to dispatch the goods. These works done by the software. The capabilities, different capabilities based on that described software. In this different market segments software used. For which purpose software used? To handle the multiple currency changes, updating product quantity, sales and taxes status. The facilities could be printed of sales orders, emails to customers and report to the store department to dispatch the goods. Classes of software. Software is classified into two classes: generic software, customized software. What is a generic software? It designed for board customers. Market who requirements are very common. Fairly stable and well understood by the software engineer. Generic software is designed for broad customers. Market whose requirements are very common. It is general for all customers. Broad means it most of the people understood by the software engineering. Okay, general. This is generic. Customized software is developed for a customer where domain environment requirements are being unique to that customer and and cannot be satisfied by generic products. Okay, here we have two. 1 minute. We have two classes in classified into software is classified into two types. Generic software is designed for broad customers, for very large amount of customers for using generic software. Customized software is being unique to the customers, cannot be satisfied by generic products. What is good software? Software has a number of attributes which decide whether it is good or bad. Software has a number of attributes. What is an attribute? Each entity has a characteristics known as the attribute. What is an entity? Entity is a person, place, object or event, anything as entity. Entity properties. What is the properties of entity? For suppose, you may take a example, employee is an entity. What is an attribute for employee? Attributes for employee: employee ID number, employee name, employee designation, employee salaries are the attributes of the employee. Okay, here attribute. Software has a number of attributes which decide whether it is good or bad. The definition of good software changes with the person who evaluates it. The software is required by the customers, used by the end user of an organization, and developed by software engineer. Here, a good software means depends on the attributes. A good software changes with the person who evaluates it. The software is required by the customer, used by the end users. The software is required by the customer. Who wants the software? Required by the customer, used by the end user, organized and developed by the software engineer. A software developed by the software engineer, required for the customer, used by the end user. Each one will evaluate the different attribute differently in order to decide whether the software is good. Each one will evaluate the different attributes in different. indifferently in order to decide whether the software is good or not. What are the attributes of good software? Here we see here software has a number of attributes which decide the whether it is good or bad. What is an good attributes for good software? The software should deliver the required functionalities and performance to the user and should be maintainable, depends and usable. Maintainability, first one is maintainability. Software must evolve to meet changing needs. Maintainability, here software must evolve to meet changing needs. Software must evolve to meet changing needs. What changes you want, that must be changeable. Dependability, software must be worthy. What dependability, software must be worthy. Next one, efficiency. Software should not make wasteful use of system resources. Software should not make wasteful use of system resources. What resources system have, don't waste the resources. Usability, software must be usable by the user for which it was designed. Software must be usable by the users for which it was designed, that is usability. Software characteristics. Software characteristics. Software has a dual role. It is a product but also a vehicle for delivering a product. Software has a dual role. It is a product but also a vehicle for delivering a product. Software is a logical rather than a physical system elements. Software is a logical rather than physical system elements. Software has characteristics that differ considerable from those of hardware. Considerable for those of hardware. Software is developed or engaged. It is not for manufactured in the classical sense. Software doesn't wear out. Most software is custom built rather than being assembled from existing components. This is the characteristics of the software. Types of software: system software, real-time software, business software, and engineering and scientific software. Here, system software, a collection of programs written to service other programs at system level. For example, compiler and operating system. It is a system software. It is a collection of programs written to service other programs. It serves the other programs at system level. If we have an operating system, the operating system serves the other softwares. A user have no use for operating system. It serves other any softwares. Real-time system programs that monitor, analyze, control real-world events as they occur. This is a real-time software. Business software programs that access, analyze, and process business information. This is a business software. Business software means programs that access, analyze, and process business information. Engineering and scientific software. Software using number crunching algorithms from different science and application system simulations, computer aided design. This is a engineering and scientific software. Types of software: embedded software or artificial intelligence. Embedded software embedded software residents in real read-only memory and is used to control products and systems for the consumer and industrial market. It has very limited and esoteric functions and control capabilities. Artificial intelligence program make use of AI techniques and methods to solve complex problems. Active area are expert systems, pattern recognition, and gaming. This is a types of software. Internet software. Those are types of software. Programs that support internet access and applications, for example, search engine, browsing, e-commerce, other tools, any other tools or any other applications. It is a internet software. Software tools and case environment. Tools are programs that help the construction of application, software and system. For example, test tool, version control tool. These are the examples. What is the software engineering? Continuation. A systematic approach to the analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance of software is software engineering. A systematic approach to the analysis. What is the analysis here? You want to prepare a project. You must analyze the project. What software is to be used? What hardware components we have? What software skill developers we have? This is the analysis. What is the design? In design process, we have to design the project and algorithm and flowcharts. Implementation is a major part. The whole process to be implemented and project is delivered. After completion of the project delivering, the maintenance of the software. If any problem occurs or any issues to be gathered, that is the process of the software engineering. Process of the software engineering. These four are the very important: analysis, design and implementation and maintenance of software. The systematic application of tools and techniques in the development of computer-based application. The systematic application of tools and techniques in the development of computer-based application. Software engineering is about designing and developing high quality software. Designing and developing high quality software. What is a software engineering? Although hundreds of authors have developed personal definition of software engineering, a definition proposed by Bridgeport provides a basis. Software engineering is the establishment and use of sound engineering principles in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and works efficiently on real machines. The IEEE has developed more comprehensive definition when it states software engineering, the application of systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation and maintenance of software. That is the application of engineering to software. That study of approaches as in. What is a software engineering? A Pearson is a writer of software engineering. Pressman view. Here Pearson and Pressman. And here Pressman view. Software engineering is a layered technology. In this technology, we have used tools, methods, process, a quality focus. Software methods. Software engineering methods provide the technical how-to for building. Software methods how to encompass a broad array of tasks, requirements, analysis, design, coding, testing and maintenance. Here we see first point, provide the technical how to for building, how to work, how to design, everything how to. Here requirements, analysis, design and coding. Requirement, what we require, what type of software you want, what type of operating system you need, what type of hardware you need. What type of software technicians you need or project team leader team you need? Analysis and design. Coding is very important. Coding is done by the SEs. After completion of the coding, testing is run. Testing is success and the maintenance of the project is continuation process. Software engineering method rely on a set of basic principles. Software process engineering process is the glue that holds technology together, enable national and timely development of computer software. Software engineering process is a framework of a set of key process arrays. It forms a basis for project management, budget and schedule control, application of technical methods, product quality control. What is software engineering? Continuation. Software tools. Programs provide automated or semi-automated support for the process and methods. Programs support engineers to perform their tasks in a systematic and or automatic manner. Why software engineering? Objective: identify new problems and solutions in software production. Study new systematic method, principles, approaches for system analysis, design, implementation, testing and maintenance. Provide new way to control, manage and monitor software process. Build new software tool and environment to support software engineering. Major goals: to increase software productivity and quality. To increase the software productivity and quality. To effectively control software schedule and planning. Schedule and planning. To reduce the cost of software development. To meet the customers' needs and requirements. To enhance the conduction of software engineering process. To improve the current software engineering practice. To support the engineers' activities in the systematic and efficient manner. Components of software. SC software engineering approach has two components, namely system engineering approach and development engineering approach. The system and its quality depends upon the system in which it is installed. The system here has a broad meaning. The understanding of the system can be achieved by the system study and analysis. The system analysis and carry out through SEM, system engineering and methodology. The system steps are as under: define the objective of the system, define the boundaries of the system, define the boundaries of the system, factorize the system into different components, understand the relationship between various components, Define relationship in terms of input, output and process. Understand the role of hardware and software. Identify the key operational functional requirements. Model the system for analysis and development. Discuss the system with the customers. Discuss the system with the customers. In this one, define the objective of the system. Define object. You have to define the objective of the system, total system. Define the boundaries of the system, the limitations of the system. Factor is the system into different components. Understand the relationship between the various components, the difference relation between the components. Relationship in the terms of inputs and outputs and process. What input you have to give, what process is done, what output gives. Understand the role of hardware and software. You have a software, the software not supports the hardware, that is a problem. You have a hardware, the software is not supporting the hardware. To understand the role of software and identify the key operational and functional requirements. What type of operational have functional requirements also. Model the system for analysis and development. Here analysis and development is a very important. Discuss the system with the customer. Development, engineering, technology, methodology as the translating the system requirements as software system goal. Here the development system steps are requirement identification and specification, design solution to deliver the requirements, determine the architecture for the development of solution, customer development and planning, software testing components, integration of system components and implementation. Here components of software engineering: structured system analysis and design SSAD, object oriented system analysis and design OOSCAD, structured system analysis and design. The sector system analysis and design approach in which the system and its requirements are decomposed in structured manner. Software development is carried out using subsystem structure, tested and integrated and implemented. Object oriented system analysis and design. In contrast, the OOSCAD development approach recommended the analysis of domain and builds objects of model independent of the system under consideration. The object could represent the function, process or document evaluated for the organization. Each object has attributes that describes the methods to perform and relationship to other object. Programming versus software engineering. What is a programming? The process of translating a problem from its physical environment into a language that a computer can understand and obey. The process of translating problem from its physical environment into a language that a computer can understand and obey. The art of debugging a blank sheet of paper. A pastime similar to banging one's head against a wall but with fewer opportunities for rewards. Software engineering. To establishment and use of sound engineering principles in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and works efficiently on real machines. This is the programming and software engineering. Here we see in the introduction part of the software engineering. Thank you.